Let's go and solve this using the quadratic formula. First thing we want to do is we make sure we have our whole quadratic equal to 0. So I'm going to take this 5, I'm going to add a 5 to both sides, so therefore it's equal to 0. Now we want to be able to identify our a, b, and c since we have our quadratic equal to 0. Okay, next what we simply need to do is plug this into our quadratic formula. For the sake of this video, I am going to now just go ahead and insert it into the, let's just write out the quadratic formula. Might as well do an extra step. So now, wherever I have a I'm going to replace it with a 2. Wherever I have a b, I'm going to replace it with a 6, even though I know they look very similar. And wherever I have a c, I'm going to replace it with a 5. Then we're going to go ahead and simplify. Okay, so now let's go ahead and simplify here. So we have a -6 plus or minus. Let's go ahead and do this all. I'll talk it out. 6 squared is going to be a 36. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. So I have a 36 minus 40, which is going to be a -4 divided by 8. Now at this point, you know you can't take the square root of a negative number, so you could say no solution. But if you wanted to go ahead and simplify using our imaginary number system, we know that the square root of 4 is going to be a 2i. And this is going to be a 2 times 2. So therefore that answer is 4. Now just remember this 4 divides into the -6 and the 4 divides into the 2i, which unfortunately 4 does not divide into either one of those, but I can simplify my solution.